it's your girl, Miss Diva Trucker. I am over here at the Uber Freight tent and getting ready for the Tony Justice concert over here at Uber Freight. He will be performing right there on stage. And I want to show y'all something, okay? Give me 1 second. But we're going to be walking around. Hello, hello, hello. Can I show y'all this? Look. Can y'all see that? That's my name. That's my name. That's me. Look at them. I gotta take a picture. Hello, how are you? But that is me. That's my name right here. There it is, right there. Y'all see that? So we get ready for a Tony Justice concert, right? At 6 o'clock. There's going to be a Tony Justice concert at 6 o'clock.
No, it's 7 o'clock.
Oh, it's at 7 o'clock. We 2 hours early.
Oh.
2 hours early. But you got to be early so you can get a seat. But let's see. Look at the program agenda, y'all. Let's see. Today is what? Friday? 6 p.m. What's the day? Friday?
Thursday.
Thursday. Today is, no, the day is Friday. Okay, 6 p.m. Eating at food truck. I didn't even say anything that was going on. But anyway, let's walk around a little bit, y'all. I'm going to take y'all on a little tour. This is over here by the... Oh, thank you so much. She said my tennis shoes. She liked my tennis shoes. I'm going to show y'all my tennis shoes. Hold on. Let's see. Y'all okay? I got to sit down to show them. But I got some little white little tennis shoes on. But let me show you the Hirschbach truck right here representing. Look how they did the truck. Ain't that cute? Got a little pink steering wheel in there. Huh, look. Y'all see Hirschbach truck. How y'all doing? Okay. We're going to walk around here. They also got the little golf carts and stuff around. But that is one of Hirschbach's trucks. How you doing?
Doing awesome. How are you?
All right. But I guess you can get like a golf cart. But yes, that is the Uber Freight tent. And want to walk around a little bit, y'all. Not too much. Jason, where are you? You said that you was over here. Bob, hey, what's going on with you? Jason, where are you? United States Transportation something. They have showers, I guess. Showers out here. Let's see if we can find some food. But I guess that's where you can go and take your shower if you park out here. But over here you don't have to pay for parking. But all the trucks are over here. It's going to be hectic when everybody's trying to get out of here tomorrow. But yeah. We're just going to walk around and see what they got going on. Oh, the shower is being done by the tanker. So that's how they got the water to go to the shower. They being done by the tanker. So let's see. But it's early, y'all. It's been a long, exhausting day, okay? But yeah, I'm over here in the parking lot where the trucks are. People are probably resting. They're also going to have another big concert in Freedom Hall tonight as well. But I think I'm going back to the house and cook. I'm not going to be out here that long. That's a nice truck. Nice little prime truck. I don't know who truck that is. Y'all know who truck that is? That's a nice truck. Let me see. Being nosy. Being nosy. Let me see. Y'all, I am tired. Hey, Marla. Girl, I'm going to be back to the grind tomorrow. It's just been a busy couple of days, but I promise I'll be back on everything first thing tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to come tomorrow. I got a lot of stuff to do. So we're going to be packing up tomorrow, heading out. But just wanted to come and show y'all around. Welcome to Chi-Town. Truckers, redneck operation. Oh, okay, that's where the truck, I guess the animals can get seen. Yeah, I guess the animals can get seen there. But I just had to come over here and hello. I just had to come over here and see my sign. Uber Freight. I guess you can rent one of them cars. Auction today, Saturday at 6 p.m. Pet games at 4 p.m. And there go Todd. Todd! 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 What's huh? Yeah, I got some ice. I'm on my live feed. You gonna say hello to my live? Look, Todd's so tall. Say hello, Facebook.
Hello, Facebook. I guess it doesn't start till 7.
I guess no. It
They
8.
got so many. They got your quote over here.
I know. You see
Pretty
that?
impressive, right? I think you should get your picture with that. Maybe you
I
already have
know. No, I don't have it yet. I'm gonna get a picture. They got my name in lights. Don't say I never had my name in lights. They got my name in lights. But I don't think it starts until like what 7 o'clock.
Yeah, that's your girlfriend in there, isn't it?
Huh? Uh-huh.
Yeah, I think so.
IKEA, yeah. You just came down here to check it out. What, you were laying down?
No, I just been looking out.
Oh, okay.
She's trying to get some shit done on the computer.
Okay.
You can't move, you can't make a sound, or she can't concentrate, and she flips out. So between phone calls and everybody, I just had to get away from her before she gets a black eye.
All right, well, we'll be in here for a little bit.
You guys gonna hang out?
Yeah, we're going to, huh?
Hang out till it starts?
Yeah, we'll probably hang out before it starts.
Okay, just plan on coming down.
I think that shirt says
Hello. Oh, they got a little pinball thing here too, y'all. Let me see. A little skee ball. Hold on, y'all. Let me see. What you gotta put some money in, 9 balls. The 25 cent, maybe I'll come and play that a little later. But other than that, I will other than that, y'all, I will talk to you all later. Peace, love, joy, happiness, and y'all have a wonderful and blessed day.